Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Human resource management, one of the important topic, that is job design. What is job design? For that you need to have good understanding about the job analysis. We already covered this job analysis. Deciding about the job roles, responsibilities, duties, nature of job, everything comes under the job analysis. Now, job design. Based on the job analysis, we are going to design the job. It means existing job, we are going to design or redesign once again. That is called as job design. Someone is working already. Now his job is good or not? Can we make some changes? What kind of changes we can do? How we can modify his job? So that is job design. This is going to be definitely beneficial for the organization and also to the employee. Employee feel that yes, my job level is increasing, I have some new additional responsibilities, my job is newly designed and which will be good for my efficiency, I'll be learning new skills. This kind of feeling is going to get by the employee. At the same time, organization will get an efficient and a good role of that particular job, maybe making some changes, isn't it? Because we are designing that job in that way. Anyhow, we are going to discuss in depth about this job design. What is job design? In simple one line you can say job design refers to a better performance. Design refers to a better job performance, which requires deciding on job contents. Based on job contents, whatever job he is doing, related to that we wanted to go for better job performance. And job design is logical sequence of job analysis. It's a logical sequence of job analysis. Already job is there, we are going to modify it in a logical way. Once again read this. Job design refers to a better job performance which requires deciding on job contents. Job design is a logical sequence of job analysis. Now let's see first approaches of job design. Mainly approach of job design based on two parameters, two aspects. What are those two aspects? Means one is complexity, other one is impact. Based on complexity and impact. On these two parameters we are preparing this approach of job design. How we can go for the job design? Now complexity we have taken on x-axis. Complexity means nature of job is the role and responsibilities. Increasing of that roles and responsibilities, we say it as a complexity. Are you getting it? One job is there, we are adding some more responsibility, we are adding some more rules and regulations, some other duties we are adding, so that is increasing. That's we say it as a complexity of that job. Something is added, complexity taken on the x-axis, and on y-axis what we have taken? Impact. If we increase the role, then what would be the impact? Impact we have taken on the y-axis. X-axis complexity, y-axis impact. Now you see the approach of job design, we are taking total 5 contents. In the initial stage, existing job already, to the existing job in the initial stage, first we are starting with the job rotation. Job rotation means nothing but same job, same role, but rotating from one place to another place, which means his roles and responsibilities, duties is not going to change, just rotating the job. So complexity is not going to change, same as it is, wherever it is, same place. At the same time, impact is also not going to change. This is the first stage, job rotation. I have given explanation here. Job rotation means moving employees from one job to another without any change in the job. Without any change in the job, no change, simply moving. So there is no impact on the complexity or impact. There is no burden, no changes, same as it is, because job is same. We are not changing the job. This is step number 1 in the initial stage. Then a little bit increase will do, that is job engineering. What is job engineering? Job engineering means it focus on the task to be carried out, how the work is to be carried out, methods, workflows, and performance standards. His main job nature, his performance, his workout, his flow. On this basis, job engineering will be there. This is mainly focusing on the time and motion study. To complete a particular task, how much time he needs, or how much movement he is taking, how much time, how much movement he is taking. So that is time and motion study. Means nothing but time required and movement required to complete the task. This is job engineering. Means a little bit changes we are doing it. His nature of job, responsibility, what he is doing. So how much time he is taking, how much movement he is taking, when he is going to complete the work. So that calculations we are doing at this job engineering level. Job engineering comes after the job rotation, where complexity is increasing and also impact is also a little bit increased here. Complexity and impact both are increasing at job engineering level. And above the job engineering level, we'll go for job enlargement. Third one. Job enlargement means what? Job enlargement is adding one or more difficult tasks. There, difficult tasks are not added. Only the thing is how he is going to complete the work, time, and motion in the sense movement. So how much is required, that we have calculated and we have redesigned at job engineering. Now here job enlargement, what we are doing? Job enlargement is adding one or more difficult task. One or more difficult tasks are added to the existing job. Example, I'll tell you. I was working in one college as a HOD of MBA department. HOD of MBA department. I got additional responsibilities related to the training and placements also. They are not happy with that. Again, they gave me one more responsibility, that is training. Training and placement officer job is different. That's related to the recruitment of the students of that organization. Then they gave me another responsibility of training, like group discussions, interview skills, all these things. These are the additional responsibilities given to my existing job. The existing job was HOD of MBA department, head of the department of MBA department. Apart from this training and placements and also soft skills training, additional responsibilities. That is, we call it as a job enlargement. Got a clarity? Job enlargement is adding one or more difficult tasks are added to the existing job. This is possible when the candidate is fit, when you feel that candidate can work out and we can take out some more skills of the candidate, or we can polish the skills of the candidate and we can extract something from the candidate. In such cases, this job enlargement is going to taken. Now job enlargement, this is the third stage. At this stage, you can see complexity is increasing, means work burden and roles and responsibility duties are increasing, and that impact is also going to make the difference. Third stage. And to extension of this job enlargement, next job enrichment, next stage, a little bit more advanced stage, job enrichment. What does it mean? Job enrichment means it's a process of adding some additional duties and also responsibilities. Not here only tasks were given. Now here adding some additional duties and also responsibilities. You have given so and so job, you have to show, and you are responsible for the results also. So that kind of additional role and also responsible together, it is given at this stage. Job enrichment is better, more powerful and more responsible than the job enlargement. Okay, this is job enrichment, fourth stage. At this stage you can see complexity is increasing and also the impact is also increasing. And last stage, what else we can do, what else we can do? We can do one more thing, that is socio-technical system. Socio-technical system means a person who's having some job in the organization, if he is connected with socio-economical system and technical system, and also he is having some direct relations with the customers, technically and also technology, both the ways, when he's sound, please focus on that job. Make someone to come to that level, not only someone, as many as possible, so that benefit automatically goes to the organization and also to the employees. So that's the fifth stage. Now fifth stage, socio-economical system. It means who use new technologies and techniques, identify them, change the nature of the job. So each and every stage, each and job rotation, job engineering, job enlargement, job enrichment, and socio-technical system. Each and every stage slowly, as per the requirement, as per the need, when we increase it all together, we can say it as a job design. Job design. Now how can we proceed this job design? What is the process? So let's discuss about the process of job design. The process of job design is simple, three steps, easily you can remember. In the first stage, identification of task, whose job is to be redesigned, whose job is to be designed, already existing job. So first identify the task of, suppose say, nature of jobs, job number 1, job number 7, job number 10. These jobs we have identified. We wanted to go for designing of these jobs. This is the first step. Okay, identification of task. Once if you identify that 1, 3, 1, 7, 10, these jobs are to be designed, then second step it comes consideration of individual and team. You have to consider individual and team also. Individual means, suppose say A, B, both the employees are there in job number 1. We have to consider A and B. What is their nature of job? What are they doing? Duties. What kind of changes we can do? Now we know that 5 steps are there. Out of these 5 steps, how we can implement it? What we can implement it? That individual point of view means how they are capable, where we can increase their duties, responsibilities, what we can do it. So that is individually to the A and B we are focusing. At the same time, team also. Not only this job design, we wanted to focus on team wise. Team in the sense, suppose say a production department is there. Production department. Production department point of view, you consider production is not up to the mark. Say production is good, but still we wanted to increase the production. How we want to increase? Let's focus on the job number 1. If we focus on the job number 1, if we design the job number 1, then production is going to increase. Then team wise, individual and team wise we are focusing. Second stage, second step. And last step, job description and comparison. Okay, designing is over. After designing, in the last step, what we are going to do? We are focusing on the job description. Job description means you are describing or you are revealing the facts of the job, roles, responsibilities, what he is going to do, when he is going to complete, how he is responsible for the job, duties, everything is you are deciding. Job description. After that, comparison. Comparison means one job with another job. Already one job is there, so the job is X. Now I have designed another job, that is Y. This is designed. this job, compare it with this. How was earlier job? Now how is new job? Like you can compare. You can also compare with one organization to another organization, one department to another department, once if you design the job properly. So third stage is description and design. Simple three steps. See once again, identifying the task, and second one considering individual and team. Third step, job description and comparison. Now what kind of advantages we have? Simple, easily able to remember. One thing is that the benefits of the job design, uh, opportunity to employees. Employees only, he is here somewhere, he is working here. We are taking him to job rotation, job engineering, enlargement and enrichment, and we are bringing that employee to this peak level. Then automatically that's an opportunity to the employee, isn't it? And means you are bringing the skills of the employee, you are giving new opportunity to the employee, you are polishing the skills of the employee, new opportunity. And also satisfaction and motivation to the employee. Employee should not feel that I am in the same job, same salary, no, something different is not there, and it's not up to the mark, same boring job. That should not be there. So when you design like this, automatically they feel that this is something different and feeling happy. That kind of motivation you'll find, and also you'll find a satisfaction in the job work of the employee. Job satisfaction you'll find. And third benefit is that health and safety. When you design job there, you are going to consider the hazardous things and how the job will be implemented, how he is going to perform at that stage. If you find any kind of troubles or things to be taken care, that you are going to do that automatically, that will be useful for health and care. And next one, high qualitative goods to the consumers. As the job nature of job is increased to the maximum level, these people, like as I said, A's job is designed, then he is going to produce good products, good products with his new technology, with his new skills, that will be automatically beneficial to the customers because they are giving qualitative products if job is designed properly. So high qualitative goods to the customers. And the next, increases efficiency of the organization. When employee got efficiency, when employee is becoming skillful, automatically that credit goes to the organization. Organization is also going to be one of the efficient, capable organization. So that impacts. And career growth, you'll find when you prepare job design, you'll be focusing on the training and development also. Simply preparing or designing the job is not going to work out. To implement the job, to give that roles and responsibilities, whether the candidate is capable or not, that you are going to focus, and if any training is required, you will be doing that also. Training and development is also focused. Ultimately, we are going to polish the skills of the employee. These are the benefits of job design. Interesting topic. Take a screenshot. Few more topics we are going to discuss from the HRM, human resource management. Let me know what are the important topics you want in the comment box. I'll cover. Stay connected, check out the playlist, whatever is useful, use it, and don't forget to share these videos. Everything is for you all at the rate free of cost. I'm not selling any material. YouTube videos free of cost. Use it and get good marks. Have a bright career. Good luck.